In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right version of NordVPN app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Let's get into it. So for you to be able to download this NordVPN app, you need to go ahead and access the app through your Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. So to do this, I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store here. Or if you go to home screen, in most cases, you should be able to see Play Store. Go ahead and search for Nord using this search app VPN, and then just search it by clicking on this search icon, and this will take you to this app. Now you can see, to know it is the right app, it should be from Nord Security, and the tagline is Fast VPN for privacy. And you can see here the logo. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 1 million reviews. Currently, you can see the app is verified and it is around 35 MBs with over 100 million downloads at the time of recording this video. So go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of NordVPN. And once the app is downloaded, it will be installed on your smartphone. Now you can go ahead and tap on open to start using it here. Alternatively, now if I go to my apps, I should be able to find and see my app here. Also go ahead and tap on it, and you'll see this is the welcoming page. You'll now have your app. You can now start using your NordVPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.